Some of these statements are just malicious.
Impendulo yakho baba usibiya iyangidida kancane because ifana nale yayizolo yaka Kate Matlala ukuthi uyamazi uKate Matlala bese ubuye uthi umazi 5 times ngama phone calls ayi5 phinde khona la uphendule khona nabebuza ukuthi elisikisiki wayekhona na. Your answer said wayengekho. So if you say that, that means uyamazi umuntu sheshe umbone. Like if somebody can ask me ukuthi ukhona baba uMkhwanazi la, I will tell you akekho because sengiyamazi. So umbuzo wami ngicela uphendule nje mhlawumbe ngendlela ethi ukungisiza ukuthi le equipment othi uMkhwanazi ukhuluma into engayazi ikhona yini yathengwa.
No, ayikho. Akazithengwa futhi.
So akuna Polo Sullivan owakusiza ukuthenga equipment.
No.
I-relationship yakho no Polo Sullivan injani?
Paul Sullivan, I know him very well. I know him very well. I've been operating in Gauteng for many years, and then he's one of the active role players in terms of crime fighting. He reports crime, people report to him, he reports to the police, and look, Paul Sullivan contacts everybody. Even if you are the National Commissioner, you will get an email from Paul Sullivan. He's not my friend. I've never been to his house. He's never been to my house. I've never gone to a restaurant with Paul Sullivan where we sat and we drank tea or coffee. What Paul Sullivan is all about is that he's a forensics expert.